I'm a laid-off engineer from Ford Motor Company.
It's been since 2008. I'm a laid-off principal.
They're laid off but highly skilled and motivated. They're among dozens of applicants hoping Magic Johnson's company, Workforce Solutions, can get them hired with two firms, Adecco USA and Johnson Controls. Those firms are looking for 100 automotive professionals.
We're offering over 100 jobs in the professional automotive industry, from engineers to programmers to technicians to clerical. We're looking to staff people, trying to put Michigonians back to work.
Many of those anxious to qualify for the plum positions have degrees and lots of experience. Now, they just need a chance to get back in the game.
And what kind of work are you looking for?
Well, I went back in training, so I got IT management training, and I'm also still looking for school work if it's available, so I would love to go back in administration and management.
How many positions did you apply for today?
I applied for all three that are here.
You're an engineer?
Correct.
Yeah. How hopeful are you?
It's looking better out there. I've had some people already interested.
Some of the highly specialized jobs will be located in the city of Plymouth and others on the west side of the state in Holland.
From Farmington Hills, I'm Val Clark, Channel 7 Action News.